Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this lovely border. It's a very easy stitch repeat, and you just need to have stitch multiples in the number of 2. To create this border, you're going to begin by working a single crochet 2 together. So insert your hook, pull up a loop, insert your hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on your hook. Now you're going to chain 1, yarn over, you're going to wrap your, or take your loop and wrap it around that single crochet 2 together, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on your hook. Okay, I'm going to do that again. Insert your hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop, insert into the next stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops on your hook to complete that single crochet 2 together. Chain 1. Now you're going to yarn over and wrap it around the single crochet 2 together, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on your hook. An important part of this step is when you work the single crochet 2 together, when you yarn over and pull up a loop, there is a piece of yarn that comes down at a diagonal right here. You need to make sure that when you work basically it's a half double crochet around, that you include that around it. So chain 1, yarn over, and make sure you're on this side of that yarn loop. If you don't grab that yarn loop as you complete the stitch, there will be a piece of yarn that comes across right here. So I'm going to work that again, single crochet 2 together, chain 1, yarn over, make sure you go around and get that extra loop that's there, pull up a loop, yarn over and bring through all 3 loops on your hook. Insert your hook, complete the single crochet 2 together, chain 1, yarn over, go around the single crochet 2 together, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on your hook.